Hey there guys, it's Dave Joshi again with another tutorial in Java programming language. So today we're going to learn about interfaces in Java. Okay, so let's start. So basically our interface. So let's look at the definition of interface. Interface are basically some sort of abstract class, just like abstract class, but not actually a particular class. Okay, I'll teach you how to define an interface inside another package and how to import that interface inside another class. Basically, you want to do that. You don't want to do like you have everything written on you have interface in your first class, and in that package even you have your class files and main class and etc etc. You don't want that, right? So we're gonna learn about how we can define an interface, what basically is interface, what does interface does. Okay, so here is our first program package. Okay, sorry, package my pack is a package in which we will be defining our public interface my inter. Okay. Now what basically are interfaces? Interfaces are class files, no, but not fully class files. Okay. Interface have methods but don't have method bodies, so they have abstract method, public void, let's say show. Okay. So it's an abstract method which doesn't have a method body. You need to create the method body as per your requirements. That's the main thing of an interface. Okay. So this is our myPack class. Let's save it. Control S. My enter. Sorry for that. Let's just do one thing. Let's copy this right here and save it right there. Command prompt. Documents. Java C. Java. Now basically, if you are working on Windows 10 or 8. You can just copy and paste some lines in command prompt, but I don't guarantee you if you are working with Windows 7 or XP, because I don't have that. Okay, so we have our package right there inside the document section. myPack, you can see it. Inside we have our, sorry for that, inside we have our myinter.class. Okay, so let's just create another file which imports the package. Import mypack.myinter. Okay, now in class A. Now interfaces are to be implemented, not to be extended, because you can't create what you say instance variable of an interface. Okay, they are not to be instantiated. If you just say in a programming term, myinter. Now it's compulsory for class which implements a particular interface that it must override the abstract method declared inside the interface. In that interface, we have declared a show method. So we are just overriding it right here. Okay. Now this is our main class. Sorry for that. Now let's instantiate this A class and call A.show. Not S.show, it's A.show. I know the error is right there. Now let's just save it. My class.java. Let's do one thing. Do the same bit right there. Command prompt. Okay. Java my class. It's printed with hey. Okay. So what if we just don't override this method of an interface? Let's check it out. What happens if we don't do that? You got an error. A is not abstract and does not override abstract method show in myinter. Class A implements myinter, one error. So you need basically you need to override. It's compulsory for you for a class to override a method, an abstract method defined in an interface if that class implements an DAM interface. Okay, but what if our class is just an abstract class? So if a class is abstract class, then you don't basically need to define, and you basically don't need to override the abstract method defined in interface, because it's of no use. Basically you override this method because you instantiate that class, that is class A, and you call that method. But if your class is abstract class, and we know that abstract class cannot be instantiated, okay, so there's no point of overriding that method. Let's have a look at that. Let me just have this clear right there. Okay, public void display. Now let's check out what happens if we don't do that. Okay, missing method body or declare abstract. Sorry for that. We need to declare this method abstract. Sorry for that. And another error is that we can't instantiate an abstract class as we know it. Java C, my class.java. Come on. Okay, there we are. So you see that if our class is abstract, we don't need to implement the abstract method declared inside myInter. So you must be thinking that we got an error why we don't write abstract right here, but we don't got any error why we don't write abstract here, because it's because of interface. Your abstract class can have a non-abstract method, but an interface can never have non-abstract method. Let's check it out. What does that mean? Okay, Java C my inter.java. Okay, error, semicolon expected. You need to declare it abstract compulsory. So that's it for today. If you like more videos, please like and subscribe to it. This is all about basically about interfaces in Java. They are pretty much very useful. If you are going for Swing applications in Java, then you need action listeners, and action listener is a DAM interface again. You need to implement some basic methods which we will study on upcoming tutorials. So if you like my videos, please like and subscribe to it, and please share it maximum so that everybody knows how to program a computer. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.